Hello everyone, today let's we know about the 20 body parts named just like head, hair and forehead. First, head. The head is the top of our body. It holds the brain inside. We use it to think and learn. Eyes, ears, nose and mouth are on the head. Next, hair. Hair grows on our head. It protects us from heat and cold. We can comb and style it. Hair can be long or short. Next, forehead. Forehead is above the eyes. It helps show expressions. It gets warm when we have fever. We can't touch it to feel temperature. Next, eyes. Eyes help us to see things. They can see colors and shapes. We close them while sleeping. We must keep them clean. Next, ears. Ears help us to hear sounds. They help us know directions of sounds. They also help with balance. We should protect them from loud noises. Next, nose. The nose helps us to smell things. It also helps us to breathe. We can smell good and bad odor. Next, mouth. The mouth helps us to eat food. It also helps us speak. It has teeth and a tongue inside. We should keep it clean. Next, teeth. Teeth help us to chew food. They make our smiles beautiful. We should brush them twice daily. Healthy teeth help digestion. Next, tongue. The tongue helps us taste food. It helps us talk clearly. It can taste sweet, salt, sour, and bitter. We should keep it clean. Next, neck. The neck connects to head and body. The help us turn the head. We can look up and look down. We should keep it straight. Next, shoulder. The shoulder joins the arm to the body. It helps us lift things. It moves in many directions. We use it for strength. Next, arm. The arm helps us to hold things. We can lift and carry objects. It has muscles for movement. We use it for writing and playing. Next, elbow. The elbow helps us bend our arm. It allows movement up and down. We need it to eat and work. It is in the middle of the arm. Next, hand. The hand helps us touch things. We use it to hold objects. It has fingers for gripping. We use it for writing and drawing. Next, finger. Fingers help us hold and pick small things. They help us type and write. Each finger has a nail. They make our hand useful. Next, chest. The chest protects heart and lungs. It expands when we breathe. It is strong and broad. It helps protect our organs. Next, stomach. The stomach helps digest food. It breaks down what we eat. We should eat healthy for it. It hurts if we overeat. Next, leg. Legs help us walk and run. They support our whole body. They are strong and long. We use them for jumping. Next, knee. The knee helps us bend the leg. It supports walking and running. It is between high and lower leg. We must protect it from injury. Next, foot. The foot helps us stand and walk. It has toes for balance. It carries our body weight. We should wear good shoes.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share.